Good morning students. Class 9 chapter 12 Heron's formula. In this chapter we have completed out exercise 12.1 in which we discuss about Heron's formula when the three sides are given and calculate area of triangle, and in question number 5 when ratio between sides are given, perimeter given, we find out sides and after this area of the triangle. Now exercise 12.2 question number 1 and question number 2 we have complete in the last of the chapter. Now we start question number 3. In the question number 3, Radha made a picture of an aeroplane with colored paper as shown in the figure. We can say in a figure is the shape of an aeroplane and this figure is divided into 5 parts. So to calculate its area, we find out area of each part and after this add. Now for the first part we can see that it is a shape of a triangular in which its base is 1 centimeter because it is 1 centimeter, opposite sides are equal, so it is 1 centimeter and it is 5 centimeter, but its third side is missing. Firstly we find out third side and after this its area, because it is a shape of an aeroplane and the aeroplane balancing is must. If these two sides are equal, then aeroplane may be in balance, so it is also 5 centimeter. Now in the triangle ABC we have three sides in which small a 1 centimeter, small b 5 centimeter and small c also 5 centimeter. Again repeat, the side opposite to angle A is taken small a, the side opposite to angle B is small b and the side opposite to angle C is small c. To find out area, firstly we find out S means semi-perimeter and the perimeter is length of the boundary, and in the triangle we can say that sum of all three sides. So 1 plus 5 plus 5 upon 2, so its value is 11 upon 2. Now we calculate its area. We use Heron's formula, so area of ABC in the under root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. And please just note down, write the name of the formula is compulsory using Heron's formula. Now put the value of S. What is the value of S? 11 upon 2 in the bracket, 11 upon 2 minus 1 in the next bracket, 11 upon 2 minus 5 in the next bracket, 11 upon 2 minus 5. Now calculate is equal to, in the under root, 11 by 2 minus 1 taking 2 as a LCM. So we get 2 LCM, 2 11 minus 2 क्या वैल्यू आएगी हमारे पास 9 by 2 it is 1 by 2 and it is also 1 by 2. We make a pair of same numbers 11 9 can be break 3 multiply 3 and 1 by 2 multiply 1 by 2 multiply 1 by 2 multiply 1 by 2. So a pair of 3, a pair of half also. From each pair a number comes out from the under root. So what is the value? 3 upon 4 under root 11 centimeter square. It is the area of first part. Now we have to calculate area of second part. The second part is the shape of a rectangle. Second part is the shape of a rectangle. In which what is the value of breadth? Obviously 1 centimeter. And what is the length? Yes, 6.5 centimeter. So length is equal to 6.5 centimeter and breadth is equal to 1 centimeter. So what is the formula of area? Area of rectangle is equal to length multiply breadth square unit. So area of second part का area 6.5 multiply 1, it's mean 6.5 centimeter square. First part 3/4 under root 11 centimeter square and it is 6.5 centimeter square. Now we just find out area of third part. What is the shape of third part? Its shape is like a trapezium. Trapezium is a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides is parallel and its value is given 1 centimeter and its value is given 2 centimeter. And these two sides also given 1 centimeter and it is also 1 centimeter. What is the area of trapezium? Area of trapezium is equal to 1/2 multiply in the bracket sum of parallel sides into height unit square. It is the area of trapezium in which two parallel sides are given but their height not given. So firstly we find out height and then area and we draw a perpendicular which represent height. It is also represent a height. To find out height, this value is 1 and some of these values is 1, so we can say that it is 1/2 and it is also 1/2. Now we study this triangle. To study this triangle, firstly we write their name P, Q, R, S, T, U. So we study triangle PST. Triangle PST in which angle T equal to 90 degree. So it is a right angle triangle, then we can use Pythagoras theorem. So what is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Now put the value. What is the hypotenuse? The side opposite to 90 degree is called hypotenuse and the perpendicular is h and base is 1/2. So h square is equal to 1 minus 1/4. So value is height 3/4. Sorry, h square equal to 3/4, but we have to find out height. So h is equal to under root 3/2 centimeter. Now simply we calculate area of third part. So area of third part 1/2 multiply in the bracket sum of parallel sides, it means 1 plus 2 and multiply height which is under root 3/2. 1/2 multiply 3 multiply root 3/2. So the value is 3 under root 3/4. So it is the area of third part. I hope you understood. Now we have to calculate area of fourth part and fifth part. Because it is the shape of a aeroplane, so we can say that area of fourth and fifth both are same. So we just now calculate area of fifth part. Now we have to calculate area of fifth part. Fifth part, its shape is like a right angle triangle in which the value is 1.5 centimeter and it is 6 centimeter. So its area of fifth part, so just we can apply half into base into height unit square. So half multiply 1.5 multiply 6. So its area is 4.5 centimeter square, and same area also fourth part. Now we have to calculate area of all parts. So total area is equal to 3/4 under root 11. It is the area of first part. 6.5 area of second part. 3/4 area of third part, and 2 multiply 4.5. It is area of fourth and fifth part. 3/4 under root 11 and 3 under root 3/4. These are unlike terms. 6.5 plus 9, both are like terms. So these can be added. So 3 under root 11/4 plus 3 under root 3/4, and their sum is 6.5. So 15.5 centimeter square. We can put value of root 11 and root 3. The value of root 3 is 1.732, and what is the value of root 11? We have just discussed in the previous video. We can use long division method to find out value of root 11. I have understood, note down it, and thank you.